observing you. Somebody else is observing you. And he or she is also learning from you. The way you take your decisions, there are people who also learn from you. Like we have one of our kids from Gurukul, he's here. You can stand and say hi to everybody. We have Gurukul, so he just came with us. So now he's a small guy. He will not understand, probably he will not understand what I am speaking. But yes, when he sees that, oh, this is how we should speak to people, then he'll learn it. So whether we walk, talk, we deal economically, we deal socially, we deal politically, every act of ours is read and is calculated by each and every other person around us. So these qualities will not only help us being a good person, but it will also help us create a powerful community, a stronger community, a community with bonds, the community with values. अब आप सोच रहे हैं यार ये तो रटा हुआ सब लग रहा है ये स्टार्टर था, ठीक है? Now I want to hear from all of you. What do you think are the qualities that a leader should have, or these are the qualities that will make us a good leader? Yes, something from your side. You can raise your hand. If you, anyways, you will be audible, and we have the microphone coming to you as well. The student coordinator, you can raise your hand. He'll give you the microphone. We'll make it interactive. You don't have to worry. Yes, after that you can. Yes, please.
He must be a team person.
Team player. Very good. Big clap for him. He should be a team player. Means what quality should he have? He can be a team player. I mean to say, मेरे को पगार देगा तो मैं भी team player रहेगा. Somebody pays me 5 lakh rupees per month for something, I'll surely do it. But then what is the quality that he should have for being a team player? The microphone is already been shifted. Okay. Sacrifice. What a person requires? Sacrifice. Yes. Very good. Yes.
He should be genuine. He should understand what is required, what is accountable for the next team players.
Yes. He should know the needs, interest and concern. He should have need, interest and concern of what other person requires. Very good.
He should have good listening qualities.
Wow. जोरदार तालियां. He should have good listening qualities. वो जो आजकल बनते हैं ना counselors, those who today's new job, you know what is the current new job? Best profession, even better than engineers, better than doctors, better than gangsters, better than the police. You know what is the best job today? क्या चाहिए? Yes, somebody, please raise your hand. You can prompt from, once you raise your hand, I can see yes. Because of her, I made this statement. So in her context, you can try to answer. Counselor, a psychiatrist. Because everybody has trust issues. What are the issues? Trust issue. Nobody trusts anybody. In school, there is a lot of competition. So what did students do? How they write answers? और कोई नहीं देखना चाहिए. Why we have trust issues? Because we have a lot of some kind of envy towards somebody. We think I should be the only. See, this is Western ideology. The Western ideology is that there can be only one person as one. All others should be second and third. But Vedic ideology does not go that way. We go in a cyclic ideology. Cyclic ideology means there are rains, then there will be grains, then the water will go back to the sea, it will come back again. You don't have to store or cry. Water will percolate, will go in the wells. So you don't have to worry. So in linear economy, everybody is supposed to take anxiety even in old age. But unfortunately, we are currently living a linear cycle. So we all गंजे हो जाते चलते. देखा आपने कोडिंग करते करते नौकरी चाहिए. Okay, I